Hey guys, it's Coach Gonzalez here. I'm going to talk to you about eligibility. So for the middle school, we go by UIL rules, and you have to be able to pass your classes in order to play because you're a student athlete first. So your grades are very important. So you have to be able to make a 70 or higher on your report card in order for you to be able to participate for sports, fine arts, so that's choir, band, orchestra, or even the academic decathlon stuff that we have that go on as well. And that has to be in every single one of your classes that you have to make a 70 or higher. But you should be striving to make A's and B's, but you need at least a 70 or higher in order to be able to participate. So what that means is if you fail for the 6 weeks, so if whenever your report card comes out and it is in your hands and it says that you look at all your classes, and if you are failing a class or more with a 70 or with a 69 or below, then you cannot play for 3 weeks. So that means that you can't ride the bus or anything. You can still go to games, but you can't sit on the bench or anything. You have to just sit in the bleachers and watch. But you are still expected to go to practice and be able to still participate that way, because when the report cards come out in 3 weeks later, and if you are passing all your classes, not just the class that you failed, but you have to be passing every single one of your classes with a 70 or higher, then you're able to be able to participate again. So that's why we ask that you still come to practice, because if you are passing on your report or your progress report, then you're able to start playing again. But not that day. You have to wait until Friday. So eligibility goes from Friday to Friday of those 3 weeks. But if you fail again, so let's say your progress report comes out and then you didn't pass one of your classes, I'll go over that here in a second, but this only pertains to the ones who have failed for the 6 weeks prior to that progress report coming out. If you failed on your progress report but you didn't fail on your report card, then you're okay. Remember, progress reports only help you, they don't hurt you. So the following, let's say you failed that progress report and you're still failing a class, and you sit out another 3 weeks. So then that means you'll be out a total of 6 weeks. And by that time, you're still asked to come to practice, but by that time your sport is probably over and you've missed the whole season, because the seasons are shortened this year with COVID. So a recap of everything is you have to pass all your classes, all of them, with a 70 or higher in order to be able to still participate in sports or whatever UIL event that you are in. So when your report card comes out and you fail one class or more, then you are ineligible and you have to sit out 3 weeks. And you have to wait until your progress report comes out. And if your progress report comes out and if you are passing a class, then you're good to go and you can play again. If you're failing a class, you have to sit out another 3 weeks and wait till your report card comes, and then you have to be passing all your classes then. And if you are, then maybe you can play, or your season may be done, or you'll have to wait again till another progress report comes out, and then by that time it's probably a new sport. So remember, it is only for ones who are failing for the no pass, no play for the progress report, which we'll explain it to you again as the season goes along. But progress reports are only there to help you, not hurt you, if that makes sense.